There's nothing in the village for us to eat except maybe bugs and weeds. Guess we'll just chew on some herbs and rest up until night. If the kidnapper isn't a monster, then it'll be pretty difficult for us to even find him. Anyway, tonight's our last chance. Okay, this will be our last night looking for the monster.
I'll give you a generous cut if you help out. I'm sure you could use some funds right now, yes? Why don't you think about it over some dinner?
Yeah, well, I'm not hungry.
Well, at least your belly is anyway.
But it seems so beautiful this time. Maybe when I was on my own, all I had time to do was focus on staying alive.